Bheka into ebengithi ngizoyenza njengoba ngithi ngicela ukuthi siva.
Iring.
Sibona izinto, sibona izimanga up.
Sure. I must get to you, Spud.
Good. Can I ask you a couple of questions? I go around asking couples questions.
You
don't have an issue. Okay, come closer, my babes. Girl, you are resistant. Name?
Thabo.
Thabo and?
Kethiwe.
Kethiwe?
Yes.
Kethiwe, how long have you been with Thabo?
I've been with him for 1 year, 2 months.
1 year, 2 months. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay. Thabo, do you trust your woman?
Yeah, I do trust him. I'm cool.
Uh-huh.
I made you.
So in the 1 year, 2 months, there's nothing that she's done that is dodgy?
Nah, I'm sorry.
Have you ever gone through her phone?
Not really, ngiyamthemba.
What's not really?
Like, mhlambe when I haven't been through a phone, but ngidlala nje ama game angeni kwezinye izinto.
Oh, okay. Okay. Kethiwe, what about you?
I don't touch his phone.
Good, Gary. You don't touch his phone, and you never have?
No.
Okay. Do you trust him?
Yeah, I do.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
It is.
You wanted to say 10. What's the problem?
10.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah,
I'll take it.
Shotayo kancane Leo plus Leo 1 nyana.
Yeah. What does he need to do to get Lawan?
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Yeah.
You got to phone with. Can't you phone with?
New
You know what, guys? I want to get straight to the point today. What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones. So you go through each other's cell phones.
Okay.
Yeah. You check each other's WhatsApps, basically. It's a loyalty test.
Okay.
Would you guys be okay with that?
No, it's
My sister shaking. She's shaking.
Fine.
Oh my God.
You don't have an issue.
Nothing. We can do the thing.
Okay,
sir.
perfect. Okay, guys, cell phones. That was easy.
I
think let's start with you, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, so just give me your passcode, password.
Oh, sorry, things we send you a message.
Okay, cool. Right, go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Type la put I love you.
Okay. Type love you.
no. It's my.
What's you?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Kumbula bawani wena.
Yeah, it's also me.
Also you. Okay, delete. Type babe.
That's also me.
Yeah, it's that.
Boy wamu loyal.
Okay. Type bank. Yeah, let's see who is sending money.
Okay.
What do you see there?
It's also me.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, I sign a clean.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who your man is fetching.
So. Okay. It's also me.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Shake my brother.
Clean.
Yeah, I sign. This nigga.
Shake brother.
Delete. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill.
You never know. Clean.
Clean.
Type test.
Test.
Kusama mnyekeni. Clean fam.
There's no
Clean. Type last night.
Yo. Bakupa putu wami. Bakupa boy.
Clean. Yeah, I
Ufuna
sign
ngikani
up.
lento.
Thank you, congrats.
Ngiyabonga.
You are loyal, sir. Passcode, pin, whatever. Hey, are you catching it?
I look Sunday.
Hey. Okay.
Cats.
Okay, what's happening?
Okay.
All right, type love you.
Love you. I love you. Nandina?
That's you, Musna.
Yeah, this is me. Okay.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you.
Khumbula boni.
Miss you.
Une-drama Thabo.
Hayi ukuthi ngine-drama like ngiyadideka nje kancane sisi wami ngoba
Kuthiwa yini?
okay yimi ne. Hey. Mfethu, ubani like?
How lucky?
Going to the church?
Okay, singene.
Lucky umngani wami.
Khethiwe, sibona izinto
Umngani wakho
Sibona izinto
kanjani mfethu manje?
Umngani wami like
Go into media?
siyasizana nje.
Msizana ngani?
Ayike ngoku.
Eish.
Ulucky intoni kuwe? This is not a friend, Khethiwe.
Like siyasizana, we help each other.
Khethiwe, susiqhele Khethiwe.
Serious, like
You help each other with what?
well,
You help each other with what?
like uyangisiza nje when I need something. Yeah.
Sibona izinto
Yadelela unamanga.
like money.
Yeah.
But you-
Otherwise, yeah,
Is he borrowing you the money or is he giving you the money?
gives me the money.
So what kind of friend is that where you don't have to pay the money back?
It's just a friend.
Do you want to call Ulucky? Oh, Thabo, please calm down. I'm sorry.
Ngicela simfonele sister.
Umbiza daddy lo lucky. Ngeke.
Khethiwe,
Umbita daddy.
sibona izimanga up. Khethiwe, you don't want to tell the truth before we call Lucky?
Yey.
Because Ulucky is definitely going to tell us the truth.
Ngiqiniso nje kenzakalani ngayo nalisimu lakhe.
Tsetsa. You lose 2 instead of 1. Khuluma.
Khethiwe.
Ha.
1 year, 2 months, kid. Hi, am I speaking to Lucky?
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Hi, Lucky, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good. I'm going to be on as a kid.
Ilwa
Yeah,
ntombo.
Yeah, sure.
Yamazi Khethiwe sibani.
Angizwa?
Yamazi uKhethiwe.
Ngiyamazi Khethiwe.
Umazi kanjani mfowethu?
Umuntu wami uKhethiwe.
Oh.
Umazi kanjani?
Umuntu wakho kanjani mfethu nisikhathi singakanani wena ubonana noKhethiwe?
Umuntu wami kabona ubani wena ngina 2 years ngizona noKhethiwe ubani wena?
Una 2 years?
Ubani wena?
Wena azongihlanyisa wena una 2 years kanjani endoda yazi ukuthi khuluma nobani wena? Awucele ngoshow wena ngazongitshwala kabo wena. Yazini man my sister kusiku right ayazi
Azokhuluma kanjena ngana sibhamu nokuba nesibhamu.
zine fork wena
Tshela.
man wena ungitshwala amasimba.
Ubani
Siwa
wena?
kanje.
Hayi sharp out yami.
Wena kuhlangane.
Sharp Don.
Do you want to talk to your man?
Sharp nakakhulume naye. Khuluma naye. Khuluma.
Mara like why uyenza kanje? Mina nawe siyajola mina nawe because the only thing you give me is money.
Nachola vele man. Ngane skora.
Khethiwe.
Nachola.
You're still lying. You still
Hayi, composure,
lying
brother.
too.
We are not in a relationship. We're gonna
Oh, dear, this man, he's been with you for 2 years.
like he's been helping me. Umuntu angisiza.
For 2 years.
Yes.
Ilo yosakaba manga fam.
Baby,
Like
don't
what?
do that. Please, no. Ngiyacela.
Manje.
Hayi nawe thula man. Sorry.
Nah,
Calm down,
fam.
Thabo.
Amasimba.
Ngiyaqolisa.
Bona na.
Sabona nani?
Awuthethe now, you're still lying.
Abantu man mustebe sibebe wena.
Fine, get
Wanjukiselwa wena.
For the streets.
Wena ujump itrato ungitshwala amasimba. Ngabulaki.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Ngiyaqolisa.
Ndiyawuzwa nje uthi intwana incane mfethu ubheka into engithi ngizoyenza. Bheka into ebengithi ngizoyenza njengoba ngithi ngicela ukuthi siva.
Iring.
My God.
Why besiyenza?
You ayisuka unezivanga man. La unezivanga.
Ushado.
Uzothatha isifebe bosi apha.
Mfethu inja.
I'm sorry, babe.
Akusizi ukuba sorry. Akusizi mfethu ngizame kangaka.
Ngijikisa iringi Thabo.
Ngiyaqolisa,
Hey.
babe.
Uyisele iring lapho uthola imali yakho.
Mfethu ispecial kimi lento ngayithathela ngapha ugogo before ever yamfethu emhlabeni. Bunini ngisavile lento
For loan.
Please forgive me, Sandra Sami. Asilungisa izinto.
Yafuna ulungisa Thabo, right?
ngizolungisana ngoba uzongiphinda lo muntu.
Yeah, uzongiphinda round 2.
Uzongiphinda.
Yeah. Kawambe Khethiwe, please leave us.
Niyangimoshela.
Uzimoshela because you've been cheating on the nigga.
Bheka uzihamba onani ndawo. Ilahlela mina isandla Khethiwe.
Uyakulaphi
mina
futhi.
ngikhothi khothayi. Hayi efo.
Uyakulaphi.
Right Khethiwe.
Futhi uzobuya uKhethiwe Thabo, you guys are going to fix things. Are you going to be open?
Honestly, to be honest, it's just what ngiyamthanda. So I'm actually confused, man.
I get you. But just take time and think about it.
Yeah, but manje ngathi ngaphuma nje ngoshaya amabhiya mfethu ayi grand.
Sashaya amabhiya. Nanguphambi kwakho. Thatha lo phambi
Ambosela, I
kwakho.
think that's a good idea.
Look at Lena.
Okay, my scat. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yo.
It happens. Right.
It happens.
Yes,
It's crazy.
Nyawena.
Uyosela Dlamini yo, ngasethi menguye.
Ah.
Savan.
Lemon.
Angry Lemon. And recorded.
Ubeyisimala kanjani bodyguard?
Like, do you know what recorded lick is? It's a cider from Sweden. I love it so much.
But in recorded it.
Recorded lick.
Recorded
Buka
Yeah.
emehlweni.
Initially, I thought it was recorded lick. But it's not South African.
So it's a recorder like.
So after here, you think it records. Don't say yella. Let me do you guys think I can't buy my own drinks?
No, then booze. I know you can afford your own drinks, but bese ngibuzela.
Chris is on television recorded like it was yama.
Yes.
Chris is gonna buy it. Tell me tell you.
Azenza umuntu Chris. Oh.
I was on television.
Uba.
I will. David, why don't you want to buy? You never buy me stuff.
Ah, sakafuna
Why should I
izinto.
buy you stuff?
Because I'm single now.
Okay, listen, ngicela ungingamisa.
Ah. Uthi dayisa ntombo.
Yima mina ngibhatalele level drink uzanithengela yona.
Lalela ngiyacelela.
Alifuni ngikuphuza le drink.
Hey, awungiphuze.
Ngikuphuza le drink na. So ndiyayibhatala le drink.
Phuze li record le.
Yayisekisa futhi amukejile.
Yazi kulento kunento engifuna sikhulume ngayo. Le ndaba ye ring ekhishwa umjito. Yafethu.
Uyayibona
To go that far.
yes. And ngibona serious ubhuti.
Kodwa nawe umjito ubhemeni. After a year uzokhipha iring wena.
He was willing to go that far and no bebesiya phela bezopropose aba bebesiya khona.
Kuphe khona.
Izimanga Dlamini.
Unezinye izinto azenza.
Une side nigga. Guys, kanyekeni man izimanga man. Shame poor guy. Dlamini, have you ever proposed to a woman?
Mina. Wey.
Have you ever?
Angiziboni nje.
Really?
Mina.
For the streets.
La ngilapho.
Oh.
Mina I have learned empilweni yami ukuthi umuntu wesifazane. Bafethu.
So you'll never get married. You don't want to get married.
As much as it's not all of them, but I don't know. Be careful.
Nah?
As much as abosisi they should be careful ngamajita, but nathi we should be careful.
Absolutely.
Otherwise,
I mean, I don't want to talk about proposals. It's a sensitive
yabona
topic.
leyo nje.
Proposals. Guys, I think I need to cleanse.
Wena yakhona lo mfundo la na.
I need to cleanse.
Wazamfaka kulo.
I'm even embarrassed to talk about how many proposals I've had.
Ha.
And Kuzonga have never led to marriage.
Oseskradini lona.
You wanna that river. But I think I've told you.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah. Ungayibizi.
No kumele ungene la.
Don't
Angasangeni.
Manje.
Mnyama.
Record please.
Guys, that is it from us. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _Dlams. I've never said thingy. Your Instagram handle.
Instagram.
Ndiyakulibala man, sorry.
welcome_Dlamini 08 ababili. It's welcome_88.
Washa.
welcome_Dlamini 88. welcome_Dlamini double on TikTok. It's welcome Dlamini. Facebook same thing. welcome Dlamini.
Washa.
Danko.
All right. Do people have followers on Facebook?
Mina.
Do people follow people on Facebook?
Hey, Facebook you.
Aren't people friends on Facebook?
Oh,
Do you follow people?
I follow people on Facebook.
People on Facebook have followers.
Yeah.
People on Facebook don't have friends.
They have followers.
And then friends, what are friends?
The friends I think
Ubukisa
it's
ngawe.
yini nama friends.
Ubukisa ngawe mnganami.
Facebook has
No,
friends.
it says
Baba
followers.
lethu uyayifaka lendini.
As followers, I know my friends.
Since when does Facebook have followers when?
Do you have Facebook?
Zara,
No.
I have, but I haven't been on there for probably 2 years.
Yabona, so Facebook it has followers.
Okay,
Anyways, Reina card mina ngagcina ngidabangani lapha ku Facebook. Badlala ngayo ibhutwana soza ukubukisa ngayo. Yeah, wena. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned.